So we're back at Rudyard Lake again for a day of kayaking. A little bit steamed up now. It's been a couple of weeks since we were last here. Today we have brought the rain with us. We are testing out our new kayak. Looking forward to this. It feels so much sturdier, don't you think?
Yeah.
Heading away. Already it feels so much sturdier on the water. Like, it doesn't feel like it's going to bow. I feel confident that I'll be okay on this on my own. Well, let's get out to the water because it is hammering down. You've got it. I think we need a kayak that's got a roof on it, or we need to buy a roof attachment. The raincoats were a good idea today though. Oh, the rain's proper coming down now. So we're just letting the boat have a little rest. Sylvia's having her breakfast. Nom 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 nom. So far so good. No issues whatsoever. It's been really fun. These are a good idea. See, the last one on the other one that we had, they just slotted in and then they were like really hard to take out. They had little clips at the front there and they were hard to get back out. When it had been in the water and the cold had got to it, it seemed like they didn't want to come out. They were almost like fused, so you had to sometimes wait until the temperature changed. But with these ones, there's like a little clip there, which is like a little lock. So you take that lock out, look, see? And then to lock them back into place and they ain't moving. That's a really good idea. Go get my coat out of the car. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, do you want to leave? You do look cold.
Oh, it's cold.
I don't want you to be cold.
I'll be okay.
You sure? Loads of people coming now, kayaks. I think we were quite lucky we got here really. Just see my car there. So we've managed to get like one of the first spaces. We normally launch from just down here, but might go launch from the other side this time around. It's a lot easier with that new kayak, because the last one, although it was pretty solid, it still felt like slightly uneasy. Like when you're getting in it, it felt like it could tip. Whereas this one, it's solid on the bottom. It's drop stitch one, so it's slightly more advanced than my last one. I was looking at a full complete drop stitch, but they were like £800 for the one I want. Maybe one day we'll upgrade it again to that one. This one's going to last me years. As long as it doesn't get damaged, it's going to last me for years. Oh, hi little ducky. I think it'll dry quick as well. It's like the same material as a bouncing castle.
Gosh, it's like your birthday over last month. Got you a new phone, got you a new kayak. No.
very, very choppy out here.
That's a pineapple one. Oh.
What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? What did this doggy say? Hey, what did you say? What, Luna? Get here now. Come here. So I was going to be going live today. I'll be honest with you. When you're out on the water and you're busy, thinking about not dying and things like that, I did forget to go live. The problem was today, it kept raining quite heavily and the water was quite choppy too. Got a bracelet stuck on me. No, I can't get it off. Yeah, when the water was like that choppy, and it was very, very stormy today. It gave out heavy rain, heavy winds. It was hard going against the current, so I only went so far down, probably went just over halfway and back again a couple of times. I did forget to go live though, so I apologise for that. So when you've been in the sea, obviously it's going to be covered in salt water, and it's very, very important to give it a clean after. But there's only going in fresh water, it doesn't need a clean as such, it just needed a quick rinse, which I've given it. It took me about 5 seconds. However, I don't want to leave dirt on it, and it can't go away wet, so it's got to have to be dried out completely, and that is the hardest part. I was saying in my last video, when I did kayaking, I said I was going to get some hooks and hook on this lean-to here, so it can be hooked by the handles at either end, and it can just hang here. It can hang here then for hours. Take it down when it's dry, fold it up, put it away. The folding away part is a bit of a nuisance, but the drying out part is the worst. See what it does is it just kind of pops itself into place. There you have it. Okay, this thing is going to be hosed off because it's got feet marks on it. The bottom's not too bad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place it over there like so, like that, so as not to damage my plants though. Like that one there, going to get squashed. He's wrapped himself around there. Okay, so we're going to leave that there. I'm going to rinse it off, give it a little wipe down. I think I've left the hose on again. That's it. Just think it is. Just a little rinse off like that. The absolute sound. All it needs. Make sure I turn that off this time. The thing's going to just explode. Okie dokie. I'm just going to leave that to dry out as well. I'm going to give it 2 or 3 hours and then I'm going to come and towel dry that down. Hopefully the yard's dried out by then. Yeah, this is the only awkward part. Awkward part. The seats are easy, they're so easy.